Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Tavo and I upload videos a little bit of everything. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made this Snicker cheesecake. It's super easy, super simple. If you want to learn how I made this, just keep on watching. Okay, so in a bowl, we're going to add a 1.5 bars of cream cheese. Now we're going to mix this for about 4 or 5 minutes until smooth and creamy. Awesome. 4 or 5 minutes, guys. And we are going to add a 1/3 cup of sugar. This is just the normal sugar you have at home. It's not powdered sugar. So you add that and we are going to mix for about another 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds. There you have it. Now we are going to add a 1 cup of heavy whipped cream. 1 cup. There you go. We are going to mix this for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Awesome, that's done. Now we are going to add a tablespoon or just a small amount of vanilla extract. And we are going to blend for like 10 seconds. There you go. Okay, so put this aside. On the other side, I have some Snickers cut in squares. We're going to add it to our mixture. I am also leaving a little bit of Snickers cut in squares to the side so I can garnish the cheesecake afterwards when it's done. So now we're just going to blend this together. Basically, your cheesecake is done. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of caramel just for an extra taste. We are going to mix this lightly. Okay, now we get our pie crust and we are going to put everything on there. And I'm going to level this out. Just like so. There you have it. Now for the final touch, I'm going to garnish with some Snickers. Just gonna put some caramel like so. Look at this. This is looking so good. There you go. We're done with this. Now I'm gonna go put it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours so it can chill out and ready to eat. I'll come back. Okay guys, so this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And one thing that I want to let you know, if you do this cheesecake, do it a day before your event or your party. Or if you're gonna give it to somebody else, do it the day before and let it chill in the fridge for about 5 to 6 hours. I know I had said about 4 to 5, but I had left it in the fridge for about an hour and it was not set, it was not chilled. So it was still squishy, so I recommend you, if you do it the day before, it will be just fine. The taste of it is very good. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and thank you guys so much for your support. I will see you guys on my next DIY or recipe or any video that I upload. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Take care. Love you guys.